Hey there friends, welcome back. So today we're tackling a full porch makeover and I am so excited about this one because we did the whole thing on a budget. We are building a wood slat wall with a built-in planter box system. We're making an L-shaped outdoor sofa from scratch, and I'm going to show you a little trick we used for the cushions that saved us literally hundreds of dollars, because if you've priced outdoor cushions lately, you already know. Grab a coffee, come along with me, and let's get into it. So the first thing we tackled was this wood slat feature wall, and this is really what sets the whole tone for the space. We were able to keep this whole build really budget friendly. These are just standard boards from the home center, nothing fancy, but once it's all put together, it just brings such a huge wow factor to this corner. Corey started by framing it out, and then we just worked our way across, spacing each slat evenly as we went. And one tip I have for you, grab a little spacer block, something the exact width of your gap, and just use that between each slat instead of measuring every single time. It keeps everything nice and even, and it goes so much faster. Now here's where it gets really good, because this wall isn't just a wall. You all know I gotta bring plants in somehow, so we built something right into it. These planter boxes that mount right onto the slat wall, and this is honestly my favorite part of the whole project. Now, normally the tricky thing with a built-in planter is drainage. You don't want water just pouring down on your beautiful wall or rotting out the wood, so we did something a little different. We actually built a gutter into the bottom of each planter box. So when I water my plants, instead of it running all down the wall, it collects in the gutter and it channels the water right out the end and away from the wood. I don't know if I've ever seen anybody do it quite like this, and I'm telling you, it works so well. It's one of those things that takes a little extra effort and thought up front, but it's gonna help to protect this wall and our couch underneath of the planters that we'll be getting to here in a moment. Okay, so the wall's up and the planters are on, but a space like this isn't complete until you light it up. You all know, if you've watched my videos for years, that I am all about giving outdoor spaces those beautiful night views. And that brings me to something I'm genuinely so excited to share with you. This porch makeover is brought to you by Govee, a brand of lighting that I have used in multiple houses at this point. And I want to say a big thank you to Govee for sponsoring today's video. I've been wanting to try their new outdoor lighting, and we're actually using 2 of their products out here. They work so beautifully together for this space. First up, along the roofline, we installed the Govee Permanent Lights Pro. And permanent is the key word. These are designed to stay up all year long, so no more dragging out the ladder every single season. They're perfect for everyday lighting, holidays, birthdays, and all of it. You just leave them up and change the look whenever you want. And then to wrap the space in a cozy glow, we strung up the Govee Smart Outdoor Bulb String Lights 2 right across the porch. Honestly, the install was so simple, and that's the part that surprised both me and Corey the most. I actually was able to time it, and it took us less than 30 minutes to get both of these installed. Now here's the thing I really care about with outdoor stuff. These are completely waterproof. So even with our Pennsylvania weather, rain or shine, we don't have to worry about them at all. That's huge for this outdoor space. But my favorite part is how versatile they are. Let us show you how it works. Here in the Govee app, we can switch everything to a crisp white light. This is what we use for every day, just practical, clean lighting when you are out in the morning. And then we can warm it up to a soft golden glow for those cozy evenings. I am telling you, this is the kind of upgrade that completely transforms a space, and it's honestly a must-have. I'll tell you a little bit more about how you can grab these lights towards the end of the video, so stick around for that. All right, so now let's build the sofa frame. We're going with an L shape, so it tucks right into the corner of the porch and gives us plenty of room to stretch out and do the fun, cozy things like reading books and journaling, as you guys know I like to do. And again, budget friendly is the name of the game here. This is all basic dimensional lumber, nothing expensive. Corey cut everything down to size, and we just built it like a sturdy platform. You really want this solid because it's going to be holding us and any guests that we're having over, so we don't want to skimp on the support down the middle here. We're not putting the cushions on just yet. I want you to see the secret to those next, but you can already see the shape of it coming together, and honestly, I am loving it. Now about those cushions, this is the trick I've been dying to show you. But first, we can't have planter boxes with nothing in them, right? So we made a little trip to the garden center, which is honestly one of my favorite things to do this time of year. And if you are trying to stick to a budget like I was for this project, a great place to look is the discounted plants or plants that are on clearance. We were able to find some great planter boxes that just needed a little trimming down, and we were able to save 50% on these planters that were really the shape of the gutters I already had on my beautiful wall. So this cut down on not only spending a lot of extra, but also saving a ton of time, because it was so simple to just put them into the gutter spaces. And of course, watering is made easy with the gutter system that's going to just put all that water out the backside and onto the lawn and not on our sofa. And speaking of the sofa, this little detail right here made me so happy. Corey is adding a little shelf onto the side of the sofa frame, and that's for me. So I have somewhere to set my coffee when I'm out here in the mornings. I mean, isn't that the sweetest? I made a small request and he made it happen. It's such a simple little add-on, but it's those tiny, thoughtful touches that make a space feel like it's yours. All right, here it is, the cushion trick I promised from the beginning. So outdoor cushions are ridiculously expensive, right? Like you can spend hundreds of dollars on just one cushion alone, particularly for the size that we were wanting for this sofa. So instead, we used crib mattresses for the seat and body pillows for the back. I'm not even kidding. They are the perfect size. They're firm and comfortable. They cost a fraction of what real outdoor cushions would have cost, and they are waterproof because crib mattresses already come waterproof. The body pillows, you put cheap, inexpensive waterproof covers on, and you are good to go. And I'll let you in on a quick little secret. I got these crib mattresses from Walmart, and they were $21 a piece at my Walmart. And then it's just all about layering to make it cozy. So I added some throw pillows, brought in a few candles, tucked in a couple more plants. And you guys, this is exactly the cozy little nook I pictured in my head. It's truly amazing what you can put together for such a little amount of money and make it look this inviting. And here it is, the finished porch. I am obsessed. During the day, it is bright and fresh, a happy little spot with all the greenery from our planter wall. And then at night, with the Gove lights, it's perfect for actually using the space. Sitting out here, having my coffee, reading a little, but then when we want to set the mood or celebrate something, I just hop on the app and switch it over to one of the colorful scenes. It completely changes the whole feel of the porch, and that's what I love about these: practical white light for every day and gorgeous color for whenever you want it all year round. And I'm excited to share with you as my viewers that Govee is running a limited time Prime Day discount. The discount is up to 39% off the permanent lights and 41% off the string lights. So if you've been wanting to upgrade your outdoor space, this is the time to grab them. I'll put the details and the link in the description box for you so you can go check that out. All right, so now I need your help with something. We left the wood slat wall and the sofa frame raw for now because I genuinely can't decide, and neither can Corey. Do you think we should stain it and keep it the natural wood look, or paint it? Let me know down in the comments because we love hearing feedback from you all, and you've helped me decide on projects before. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this project. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for lots more DIY and home inspiration. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.